Hey guys, Sam here. So you guys might have seen recently there was actually some charges brought against another Atlanta public official. He was charged with wire fraud and failing to disclose $200,000 of yearly income that he had. And he was a compliance officer for the city. Now, you guys might have noticed that people like Mayor Kasim Reed and Tracy, his brother, sister, whatever, probably got a pretty bad reputation in terms of like the federal indictments against them and like all the conspiracies and like, you know, spending money inappropriately and stuff like that. Not too long ago, it was actually said that the Fulton County Tax Commissioner makes like $300,000 or $400,000 just from like doing taxes for people, and he keeps all the money for himself instead of sharing it with the city of Atlanta. But he already has like a huge income that like most people would kind of like die for. So like it's definitely like more than enough money to survive comfortably in the city of Atlanta. Which is why I think that it's important that we have somebody in office that runs for the Fulton County Tax Commissioner that can comfortably live on the appointed salary and spends that money that he has been pocketing in bonuses on something important. Now, you guys are probably wondering what something important is, and it might involve Cabot cheddar cheese, might involve some cold Frosty Boys, probably Atlanta local beer, and I think that we need to have weekly taco parties in Atlanta. Hear me out, guys. There's like $300,000 going to one dude a year on top of his salary. Do you know how many freaking tacos you can buy with that? Like, they're $1.35 a piece. You can feed lots of people, like a lot of the time. So I'm thinking that it's time to kind of respur some of the city's infrastructure, kind of put that money back into the community, if you understand what I'm saying. And I think that we should have weekly taco parties in Atlanta instead of giving all that money to one individual. So, you know, I've been thinking about it for a little bit, and I think that the office of Fulton County Tax Commissioner is coming up for re-election in 2020, and part of that is that we've got a corrupt official in there taking a lot of our money. You know, like, he could pretty much just do those taxes for free for, like, everybody, and, like, everything would just function as normal. Or pay his employees more. Nope. Or throw frickin' taco parties every week, guys. It would spur local business. People are going to buy stuff on top of it. It's going to be good for everyone. So if you're on board with free taco parties, tax reform in Atlanta, and, you know, getting the corruption out of office, you can go ahead and write in Sam Clark for 2020 Fulton County Tax Commissioner. Trust me, I'll be there.